Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's officially my birth month. Yes, you heard that right. My birth month, February the 1st, Sunday, February 1st, 2026. And I'm here, I'm giving myself a pedicure. I already get my nails done. Claws by Jade, you can find her on Instagram. Guys, I'm so excited. My birthday is coming up. I already did my nails already. I did my toes as well. I'm just giving myself a pedicure. I made an appointment for the second, that which is tomorrow, Monday. But I feel like I just want to do it myself. So I'm going to show you guys what's up. So stay tuned. You know your girl birthday is coming up. Your girl is excited. I really want to thank God for letting me live to see another year. I'm so grateful. I'm so excited. Words can't explain. I'm so grateful. Clap that tea, clap that. I'm so grateful. So grateful. Another year wiser, another year stronger. It has not been an easy journey, guys, but you know, we get through it with God in the midst. You can smile at any storm, no matter what you're going through, no matter what. Just keep pushing. Anything that you put your mind to, it will work. Just keep work. Just keep work hard, keep pushing, and you will get what you want. I'm so excited, guys. Look at all that dead skin, dead flesh. I love my birthday. I'm so excited about my birthday. When it comes to birthday and Christmas, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. And I hope this year turn out to be the best year. Even though the cold front is approaching Jamaica right now, I hope that I don't get any rain on my birthday because I want to enjoy to the fullest. Even though I don't have any plans, I just want to go on the beach and enjoy myself with my families. Just giving God thanks for another year. It's a blessing. It's really a blessing. A big one too. For all my February babies, I want you to comment when is your birthday in the comment section so I can tell you guys happy birthday when the time comes. I hope you guys have a full fun-filled one. Claws by Jade. I'm so in love. Mwah. So in love, guys. She ate down on this set. You know you can't go wrong with a French set, and these are French. These are so cute. These are French with stones, red stones, because I will be wearing red and gold for my birthday. Yeah. Your girl gotta turn up. So grateful for another year. Who could it be but God? I'm so grateful. So grateful. Another year, no sickness. I'm not in the hospital. I'm not in the jail. Who could it be but God? I'm so grateful. God brought me through another year. So grateful, guys. I'm so grateful. You know, I got my nails done, so your girl not doing any house chores today. So Andrew and Jamar is washing for me today, and I'm so grateful for that. They're helping out as always. So you know, I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful for that. They're helping me out today with the laundry. I have a really supportive family. When it comes on to that, guys, I have a really good supportive family. So they're helping me out to do the laundry today. Because I'm not gonna get my nails messed up. So yeah, I'm so grateful. Just taking off the excess dead skin before I go in with the scrub. Oh, that's a lot. It's been a while I don't do a pedicure, so that is expected. It has really been a while. So that is highly expected, guys. All that dead built up flesh. So I'm gonna do the other foot. This is how I do it, guys. This is how I do my pedicure. I take off the excess dead skin with a cuticle trimmer, and then I go in with my scrubber. I go in with my scrubber. My scrubber. My foot scrub. Guys, I'm gonna be turning 28. Yes, aging gracefully. To me, I'm aging backwards because when I was younger, I don't think I look this good. Even though I have a hyperpigmentation right here, I'm working on it. I'm working on it to get that full glow. So yeah, it's all about the birthday girl. Celebrating all month. This is my month. So you know your girl gotta turn up. You know your girl gotta turn up. I'm feeling the birthday spirit already. I'm really feeling it. But I'm just watching the weather. Because the cold front is approaching. And you know, a little rain. We may got rain, we may not. But I'm just hoping for the best. Because I really want to enjoy my day, so I'm just hoping for the best. The best is yet to come. So I'm just hoping for the best. You know, I should have shown you guys a before. I should have shown you guys a before of my foot, but it didn't come to mind. Should have really shown you guys a before, but that didn't come to mind. I got this cute little bracelet from Shein. Yes, Shein sell the good things. If you guys know, you know Shein sell the good things. So I got this cute little bracelet from Shein. So I'm almost finished. I'm almost finished. So guys, finish. I'm going to end the video now. My feet feel so refreshed. I'm gonna show you some photos of my feet. So please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Leave a comment and tell me what you guys think about this video. Stay safe. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Until next time, bye. This is how my feet turned out, guys. So nice. Caught that tea. They're so nice and clean and fresh.